Hi everybody, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're tackling a project that's near and dear to my heart, building a pantry. But not just any pantry, this one's going to be budget friendly and packed with hidden storage solutions. Now, a well-organized pantry is a thing of beauty. It's the heart of a functional kitchen. We're going to transform that wasted space you've got into a storage powerhouse. Think easy access to all your cooking essentials, no more digging through cluttered shelves, and maybe even a few secret compartments. By the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how to build a pantry that's as stylish as it is practical. So grab your tool belts and let's get started. Before we grab our saws and hammers, let's take a step back and assess the situation. You wouldn't believe how many folks jump into a project without a plan. Trust me, a little planning goes a long way. First things first, measure twice, cut once. Grab your tape measure and figure out the dimensions of your pantry area. How much space do you have to work with? Are you building a freestanding unit or will it be tucked into a nook? Next up, think about your storage needs. Do you have a lot of small spice jars? Maybe you need a dedicated spot for bulky appliances. This is where the hidden storage comes in. Consider incorporating features like sliding shelves or drawers hidden behind those regular pantry doors. These can be lifesavers for maximizing space. Imagine pulling out a hidden spice rack or a slide-out drawer for your baking supplies. Now take a look at your pantry door. Is it a standard swing door? If you're tight on space, think about replacing it with a sliding door or even a stylish curtain. Every inch counts. Sketch out a rough plan of your pantry, including the hidden features you want to incorporate. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be fancy, just a visual guide to keep you on track. Remember, this pantry is all about maximizing every square inch. With a little planning, you'll be amazed at how much storage you can squeeze into even the smallest of spaces. All right, now that we've got our plan in place, let's move on to the fun part, gathering our materials. Now let's talk about keeping this project budget-friendly. No need to break the bank for fancy materials. Remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. Start by checking out your local thrift stores, salvage yards, or online marketplaces. You can often find great deals on cabinet doors, shelving units, or even wooden panels that can be repurposed. Got a friend or neighbor who's doing some remodeling? They might just have some leftover materials they're willing to part with. Don't be afraid to ask. When it comes to tools, you'll need your trusty saw, screwdrivers or a power drill, sandpaper, paint brushes, and of course screws, nails, and brackets to hold everything together. If you're planning on incorporating any hidden storage features, think about the hardware you'll need. Sliding rails for drawers, hinges for hidden compartments, or even a lazy Susan for a corner unit can make a world of difference. Remember, this is a DIY project, so get creative. Repurpose old crates as shelves, use salvage wood for the frame, or even turn old drawers into pull-out storage bins. With a little ingenuity, you can create a pantry that looks like $1,000,000 without spending a fortune. All right, now that we've got our materials and tools assembled, let's roll up our sleeves and start building. Now we're getting down to business. It's time to build the backbone of our pantry, the frame. Whether you're going freestanding or tucking it into a nook, a sturdy frame is key. Start by measuring and cutting the wood for the base, sides, and top of your pantry frame. Remember that old saying, measure twice, cut once. Accuracy is key here. If you're building a freestanding unit, make sure the base is level and secure. You don't want your pantry wobbling around. Use a level and shims if needed to get it just right. Now let's talk hidden compartments. This is where the fun begins. If you're incorporating false panels, now's the time to install them. These will conceal your secret storage areas. For slide-out sections, attach the sliding rails to the sides of the frame. Make sure they're level and spaced appropriately for your drawers or shelves. Reinforce the corners of the frame with screws and wood glue for added strength. We want this pantry to last for years to come. Once the frame is assembled, stand back and admire your handiwork. You're well on your way to a more organized kitchen. Next up, we'll tackle the shelving, so keep those tools handy. With the frame complete, it's time to add the shelves. But first, let's talk strategy. Think about what you'll be storing on each shelf and plan the spacing accordingly. For taller items like cereal boxes or bottles, you'll need more vertical space. Adjustable shelves are a great option here because you can customize the height as needed. Speaking of adjustable shelves, I highly recommend using adjustable shelf brackets. They offer flexibility down the road if you need to change things up. Now, for those hidden shelf ideas, one of my favorites is a rotating spice rack installed behind a pantry door. It's a great way to keep spices organized and within easy reach. Another option is to install shallow shelves on the back of the pantry door for storing smaller items like spices, condiments, or even baking supplies. As you install the shelves, make sure they're level and secure. Use a level and screws to attach them to the frame. Remember, a well-organized pantry is a joy to use, so take your time and get those shelves just right. All right, the pantry is really starting to take shape. Next, we'll add some finishing touches with paint and hardware. Now it's time to add some personality to our pantry. A fresh coat of paint or stain can work wonders, but first let's prep those surfaces. Sand down any rough edges or splinters and give everything a good cleaning. A smooth surface will hold the paint better. When choosing a color, think about the overall style of your kitchen. Do you prefer a classic look or something more modern? A light and bright color can make the pantry feel larger, while a bolder hue can add a touch of drama. Once the paint is dry, it's time for the hardware. This is where you can really let your personal style shine. Choose handles, hinges, and knobs that complement your kitchen decor. For a cohesive look, consider matching the pantry hardware to your existing cabinets, or go for something completely different to make a statement. Install the hardware carefully, making sure everything is aligned and secure. A little attention to detail here will make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your pantry. All right, step back and admire your handiwork. This pantry is almost ready for its grand reveal. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, organizing our brand new pantry. This is where the magic truly happens. Start by taking everything out of your old pantry and giving it a good sort. Discard any expired items and donate anything you no longer use. Next, invest in some storage bins and containers. Clear containers are great because you can easily see what's inside. Label everything clearly so you can find what you need at a glance. Group similar items together. For example, keep all of your baking supplies in one area, your canned goods in another, and so on. Now, let's maximize that hidden storage. Place rarely used items in the hidden compartments or on the higher shelves. Everyday essentials should be within easy reach. Consider using a lazy Susan in a corner cabinet to make the most of that awkward space. Turntables are also great for spices, oils, or other small items. Remember, an organized pantry is an ongoing process. Take a few minutes each week to straighten shelves and put things back in their designated spots. With a little effort, you can keep your pantry looking its best and enjoy the benefits of a well-organized kitchen. Congratulations! You've officially transformed that cluttered corner into a functional and stylish pantry. Pat yourself on the back. You earned it. Remember, a well-organized pantry is the key to a happy and efficient kitchen. With your new storage solutions, you'll be whipping up culinary masterpieces in no time. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more home improvement tips and tricks. And be sure to share pictures of your amazing pantry creations in the comments below. We love seeing your handiwork. Until next time, happy DIYing.